इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी टॉपिक है अपना ये वाला। इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी में हम लोग बेसिक डेफिनेशन पढ़ेंगे कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी एंड व्हाट इज इट्स मीनिंग। Basically, as far as information security definition is concerned, it is not only about the securing information from unauthorized access. Information security is basically the practice of preventing unauthorized access, use, disclosures, disruptions, and modifications, and inspections, recording, or destruction of the information. इट मीन्स इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी केवल वो वाली ब्रांच नहीं है कि हम ये देखें कि इसमें केवल हम डेटा सेव कर रहे हैं, नहीं। इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी बहुत सारी चीजों से मिलकर के बनता है और काफी सारी चीजें ये हैंडल करता है, जैसे कि प्रैक्टिस ऑफ प्रिवेंटिंग अनऑथराइज एक्सेस, मतलब हमारा जो डेटा वो डेटा किसी अनऑथराइज पर्सन के द्वारा ना यूज किया जाए। डिस्क्लोजर्स, डिस्क्लोजर्स बेसिकली क्या होते हैं, आप लोगों ने मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज में जब भी कोई प्रोफाइल बना रहे होंगे या कोई रिज्यूम बनाते होंगे या सोशल मीडिया पर यदि आप कोई चीज यूज कर रहे हैं तो उसमें काफी टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस रहती है। टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस जो है बेसिकली आपके डिस्क्लोजर्स कहलाते हैं। डिस्क्लोजर्स मीनिंग हर एक कंपनी का अपना डिस्क्लोजर्स होते हैं। जैसे कि अभी रिसेंट में ट्विटर को मिलियंस का फाइन पे करना पड़ा था क्योंकि उन्होंने कुछ डिस्क्लोजर्स पे साइन करवाए थे यूजर से और उसका उन्होंने अनऑथराइज यूज किया था। तो ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन, जैसे कि सपोज करो आप कोई फेसबुक में अकाउंट बना रहे हैं तो आपने अपना पर्सनल डेटा फेसबुक के सर्वर पे अपलोड करा, बट यदि फेसबुक इसको किसी कमर्शियल पर्पज से यूज करता है तो यू कैन क्लेम ऑन फेसबुक दैट समथिंग इज रॉन्ग. So these are called disclosure. Now disruption. Disruption is basically a thing by which some unauthorized way of working की हम disruption कर रहे हैं. Modification means हमारी कोई information है, कोई legal documents है, हमने उस पे modification कर दिया और हमने मतलब जैसे कोई धारा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन लॉज, सपोज कोई पर्टिकुलर धारा है, यदि वो धारा चेंज हो जाती है, उसके कुछ व्यूज चेंज हो जाते हैं तो ओवरऑल उसका वर्किंग चेंज हो जाएगा। तो मॉडिफिकेशन में मतलब हम कोई मॉडिफिकेशन तो नहीं कर रहा है, कोई अनऑथराइज यूजर उस पर्टिकुलर डॉक्यूमेंट को एक्सेस करके ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कुछ गलत यूज कर रहा है, वो आपका हो जाएगा मॉडिफिकेशन। इंस्पेक्शन क्या होगा? इंस्पेक्शन सिंपल मीनिंग है कि ऑन डेली बेसिस यू विल चेक समथिंग कि भाई ये चीजें करेक्ट है कि नहीं है, एज पर द मार्क, एज पर द रूल, एज पर द प्रोटोकॉल. So and the recording and the destructions of the information. Now what do you mean by the recording? Recording is basically related with the information security parameters where any unauthorized user don't have any rights कि वो डिस्ट्रक्शन कर सके किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन का. Information security can be physical or electronic one. Information can be anything like your details. We can say your profile on the social media. The same example is now taken by the user. Your data in mobile phones, your biometrics. As you all have heard about the Aadhaar card detail, and with the help of Aadhaar card detail, anybody can take your biometrics. मतलब उसके पास फिंगरप्रिंट है, उसके पास आपके आई के रेटिना है, and I think every kind of information is available to that user. So that information can be utilized in some wrong manner, and in order to protect that wrong thing, information security have to handle so many things, not only to secure the data but also ensure various kinds of techniques so that data can be secured. Thus, information security spans so many research areas like cryptography, mobile computing, cyber forensics, online social media, etc. It means the thing is that information security is a wider range of field which deals with the cryptography that we are studying in this subject, deals with the mobile computing areas related to the mobile application and the cyber forensic. Now the word cyber forensic is itself a big field where so many things need to be studied in order to save the laws and laws of cyber world. Online social media, as in nowadays, everything is available on the social media. Now how you can protect that data from the unauthorized user, unauthorized access is called the online social media. So information security is sometimes shortened to InfoSec. InfoSec is basically word which represents information security in a wider way, is a practice of protecting the information by mitigating information risk. Now we need to ensure that information, whatever we are going to transfer things, should contain your information should be very protected in order to save the future risk, and it is the part of information risk management. And that's why information security is not only the field which will ensure the security of the information, but itself it is a field which also handle, manage risk management. लाइक जैसे कोई साइबर अटैक होता है, कोई साइबर क्राइम होता है, तो उसके लॉस क्या बनेंगे, उसमें कौन कौन से प्रोटोकॉल्स लगेंगे, तो ये सारी चीजें भी कौन डिसाइड करेगा? आपके इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी. एंड as now we are using internet in much more as compared to our previous years, so in this field so many jobs are there because information security is the backbone for today's many kind of working. It is typically involve preventing or at least reducing the probability of unauthorized or inappropriate access to the data or the unlawful use. Now, what do you mean by this statement? This statement wants to tell you that if you want to protect your data, so you have to follow some precautionary measures in order to save unauthorized access, in order to reduce the opportunities to the unauthorized user, so that data can be saved. So your main goal is just to reduce the probability that something wrong cannot be happen. You have to reduce the probability that some corruption, some deletion, some modification that need not to be done at that time, and inspection, recording, and devaluation of the information. Now, the word devaluation basically represents the quality parameters by which your information should be up to the mark. And I think in order to explore the complete theory of information security, you can read so many articles nowadays available, so many blogs based on information security and what are the various laws. It also involves actions intended to reduce the adverse impact of such incidents. Protected information may take any form: electronic, physical, tangible. Now, what do you mean by the tangible and intangible? Tangible basically represent the paperwork, and while the intangible basically represent the knowledge, that you have knowledge of something, and with that knowledge you can change the thing and something wrong can be happen. So these are the things of information security. Now next topic is objective of the information security. Why we need to do the information security? What is the basic purpose behind the information security need in today's market? So basically the thing that involve information security measures like confidentiality, integrity, and the availability. I think we have already studied in first unit, that is called cryptography. Now the word confidentiality, the second word integrity, and the third word availability. All are the important things in information security. So now what do you mean by the confidentiality? Confidentiality means information is not disclosed to unauthorized individual, entities, and the processes. You have to understand all the term in a deep manner, because these three words, that is confidentiality, availability, and integrity, you can remember it as CIA, and your subject is CIS. So you can remember it CI and A. Now, what do you mean by confidentiality? If information is not disclosed, you need to protect the information so that it cannot be disclosed, and after when it is not disclosed, obviously it cannot be used by anybody else. For example, if we say I have a password for my Gmail account, but someone saw while I was doing a login into Gmail account. In that case, my password has been compromised and confidentiality has been breached. Now, the word breached means leaked. Your information gets leaked when you log in. Your browser asks that, do you want to remember this login ID and password to the web browser? You say yes. And when you say yes, somebody on the system use that in the browser setting, in the password section. That person just views the data. So at that time your password is not your password at all. It will become global password, and at this password can be used by anybody else. So this is the incident of confidentiality. Similarly, what do you mean by the integrity? Integrity means maintaining accuracy and the completeness of the data. It means, what do you mean by the completeness and the integrity of the data? Let's see in the example. This means data cannot be edited in an authorized way. For example, if an employee leaves an organization, then just understand the example in order to understand the concept. For example, in unauthorized way, for example, if an employee leaves an organization, then that case data for that employee in all departments like accounts should be updated to reflect status to the job left, so that data is complete and accurate. And in addition to this, only authorized person should be allowed to edit the employee data. Now, suppose you are working with some government organization, and due to some reasons you left that government organization, and you are not working since last 6 months. Okay, but when you apply somewhere else, that website does not deleted your data, and you just grab that opportunity and write in your resume that still I am working in this organization. So this is the information where integrity is not maintained. This is the kind of example where you need to maintain some accuracy of the data, and that accuracy is basically depends on organization to organization, company to company, website to website. It is not the concern about कि भाई ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है. It, because this is the matter related to the correctness of the information. So any cyber security company is not having all the information and decide that whether this information is correct or not, or whether this information is accurate or not. But at certain level, any company, any organization having rights to decide कि भाई सही है कि गलत. ठीक है. Next, आपका information security primary focus on balance protection of confidentiality, integrity, and the availability of the data. Now, what do you mean by the availability of the data? Availability of the data means, suppose want to see
ये जो
result of some exam that you have recently appeared, and at that time, if that website is not able to show the correct information, then it is called non-availability of the information. So when, suppose for example, you want to log in some Gmail account, but at that time you don't have mobile. You don't have mobile, so you can't verify the OTP. And that is the example, availability of the data, availability of the devices, also known as the CIA, as earlier we have discussed, while maintaining a focus on efficient policy implementation, all without hampering organizational productivity. Now the thing is that you have to maintain CIA in such a manner that your organization productivity will not get reduced. Confidentiality, confidentiality, availability, and integrity. So, information security is a term which is used to show the security of the information, and its main focus is to maintain CIA of the data. So this is all about the information security and what are the various objectives of the information security. Availability means information must be available when needed. Very common terms. For example, if you need to access information of a particular employee to check whether the employee has been outstanded, this is, I think this example is already discussed. So today's we have discussed about the information security. What do you mean by the information security? And the definition of basic information security. We are now summing the topic, and so that we can conclude our class. So information security we have discussed about information security. We have discussed why we are using information security. What are the important terms of the information security? Uh, and some of the information why we are using information security and definition of each and every terms.